Wiley!
Hey, Brinley. What's up with your bear self?
Wiley! Thanks for coming! You're just the wolf we need!
What's the mission this time? We gotta rescue some cute duckies from zombie plumbers or something?
Are zombie plumbers zombies who went to plumbing school? Or regular plumbers who help when your pipes are clogged with zombies? We will be operating these fabricated characters for the purpose of entertainment.
And not just any puppet show. It's the first annual Great Wolf Lodge Puppet Spectacular! Written, produced, designed, and directed by the spectacular Sammy Squirrel. Dame Cabbage, I told you to stop calling me spectacular.
Wiley the Plumber Slayer. Your mission for today is extreme puppetry.
But I thought I was gonna be rescuing somebody or something.
No, you'll be playing Spur-Billy Johnson, the most true-hearted cowpoke west of Walrus Town.
I play nefarious Viking Marduk Wampers. Yaha! I fish sticks.
And I'm Glubby, the lovable catfish.
Sammy Cast, me is Bonnie Deebop. This one is the biggest fish stick ranch in all the land. Well, howdy, stranger. Could I interest ya in a fish stick?
Marduk once saw the fish sticks for himself. And that's when Spur-Billy Johnson rides into town.
I have calculated a high probability of puppet show fun.
Looks great. I just wanted to go on an adventure.